In our 21st century world, students have almost unlimited accessibility to mobile devices and are creating their own media, mostly unsupervised or untaught, a phenomenon not witnessed in past generations. For example, a quick YouTube search yields a plethora of content created by young people. A visit to Ferguson, Missouri includes eyewitness video, which shaped the perceptions of viewers. Because current media messages are shaped through blogging, eyewitness video accounts, or Twitter feeds, I believe we have a responsibility to help educate our students on this new media flow, the information in their everyday lives. As educators, we need to teach not only the traditional literacy skills students need to succeed, but also the critical thinking skills that allow students to not only consume, but create digital content. I start by having my students conduct interviews with experts. An expert can be anyone with knowledge, from a friend who bags groceries, a dad who bakes a birthday cake, a teacher at the school, to an elected official. Everyone is an expert on something. In preparation for the interview, students use the inquiry process to narrow their topics and develop questions. These are skills teachers have always taught and are likely familiar. Students will research, take notes, use graphic organizers. They will confer and collaborate with each other, developing a process of preparation which will lead them to success and away from a question and answer in the interview to more of a conversation, allowing students to gain valuable information during their projects. It is also important to teach the technical skills necessary for success. A successful video leverages elements such as light, sound, and clear visuals to gain and maintain the attention of their audience and to portray the message. This topic in the iTunes U course will help students learn the most basic elements and techniques of what's important to capture a video interview. After the interviews, students publish their work to the web, allowing not only their peers, but a global audience to critically analyze their work, thus completing the circle of media literacy. Through the creation and publishing process, students and educators share, teach, and learn from each other, and engagement, accountability, and motivation contribute to a community experience that expands their knowledge of communication in our global society. I firmly believe all educators have the responsibility to incorporate the importance of media literacy education at all levels, in all subjects. Current technology offers an easy and accessible means for our students to learn these literacy lessons through creation. And in our participatory world, we will ultimately offer our students an authentic learning experience.